Hey guys, Micah here with Gorilla Protective Industries, here for another unboxing video. This time we actually have 3 different boxes, but they all contain roughly the same sort of thing. So these came from XS Sight Systems, okay, and they are some iron sights that glow in the dark and whatnot. I've been expecting these for quite some time now, and they just came in today. So I'm super excited about this, and let's open them up and show them what we got. Okay, got our handy dandy Benchmade knife. Okay. So this is the first sight that we have, okay. So this, they gave us a pretty cool t-shirt, okay, that just has their logo on it, nothing on the back, but it does say American made, Texas proud, 2A strong. So that's a pretty cool little shirt. And then we have our iron sights. So I don't know if you can see that, that's pretty small. I have no idea if that's on camera or not. But it's pretty simple as to what it is. Okay. So it's just a set of iron sights that these guys sent us very graciously. Okay, so has a little information booklet about the sights and how they work and what they do. Okay, and then you have your rear sight, which in this case is a V shape. I don't know if that's on camera or not. Okay. Then you have a nice big orange dot. Okay, both this and the little white stripe right there, they will glow in the dark. And then you have a little tube of what I imagine is Loctite or something similar. Just to hold everything in place, and they give you a little Allen key to be sure that you can put them on. Okay, so there's that one. And we should have 3 slightly different sights in these boxes, in each one of these boxes. So sent us another t-shirt. This it's like a cotton poly blend t-shirt, which is kind of nice. Okay, so this one is similar. Okay. In the fact that you still have your notch right there, okay? But this one has a much smaller white dot, okay? And these ones are suppressor height sights, okay? So they're much taller than the last ones that we just opened up, all right? And again, it comes with the little bottle and an Allen key. Okay, and same thing. It also has a little booklet on how it all works. Okay, let's see what our third one is. another shirt, and our third and final iron sight. Okay, another booklet. Actually, this one's just a card. So that's just a card, actually. Okay. But got a regular notch this time, and a green dot. Okay, these ones are not suppressor height. These are regular standard height sights. Again, a bottle and a little Allen key to put it all together. Alrighty, so these were sent to us by XS Sights for our classes that we put on. Okay, they have a trainers program that if you are a certified firearms instructor or certified instruction business or whatever, that they will send one per instructor out to you for free every year that you can, every year that you can renew and get a new one sent out to you. And then it's, I want to say it's like $50 per additional one per year that you get. If you want more than one a year, but this is more than enough for the time being. They have some other really cool products, largely revolving around these sights, but you can get them for different guns. These ones are all for the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0, I believe. They should be anyway. And so this is the 3 of, I think, 6 or 7 that they have in total. And I think out of that, I think these are all 3 the brand new ones, brand new models that they just came out with. So thank you again to XS Sights. And if you are interested in their company or getting some of these sights for yourself, then I will link them in the pinned comment below and in the description. Okay, I don't think YouTube will have an issue with this, since this technically isn't gun related, technically. But if it will let me pin their website in the comment and description, then look for it down there. Otherwise, you can just go to xssights.com and you'll be able to find all their sites. All right. So thank you again to XS Sights for sending us these. I'm super excited to show these off in class and show these off in future YouTube videos. So that's all for now. Thanks, guys. Have a nice one, and I'll see you in the next video.